In primetime news this evening, the investigation ends. Police halt probe into domestic violence incident involving Westmoreland MP. Not good enough, opposition slams government's latest response to the George Wright assault allegations. And fast-track impeachment legislation. Watchdog group calls for law to be passed to remove parliamentarians engaged in unbecoming conduct. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the financial week, we have the sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on how the Jamaica Labour Party has handled the George Wright issue so far? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.